Good day and welcome back to another episode of Hugo House. Today we're going to check out these beautiful bathroom photos. The bathroom is one room in the house where you are sure to spend a lot of time. Having bathroom or bathrooms that are just the way you want can go a long way into starting your day off right, or serve as a place where you can relax for a spa-like experience after a long day. Bathroom renovations of any kind can be a daunting process, but when it comes to the bathroom, you want your space to be functional, practical, and serene, and maybe a little luxurious, so you want to properly plan to get the job done right. Of course, you also want to stay on budget, as the price tag of bathroom renovations can easily get out of hand. Depending on your budget, your bathroom budget can cost a lot more than what you think, with the average remodel being between $11,000 to $23,000. Of course, basic, low-grade bathroom renovations with less expensive building materials or smaller bathroom swaps can run from $1,500 to $5,000. Knowing in advance the budget you have to work with will determine the sort of bathroom renovation you can plan. One thing many people don't always think about is the bathroom lighting, but this can be one of the most important parts of a bathroom renovation and makes more difference than you might think. Bathrooms are sometimes small or dark and filled with several mirrors, so the lighting in this room requires some careful planning and placement. The easiest way to light a bathroom is with a single diffuse light in the center of the bathroom ceiling. If you already have a bright bathroom, you might consider a pair of wall sconces. Another option is ceiling inset downlights, but you want to place them with care and avoid installing directly over light-colored bathroom countertops, as they will reflect the light. And be sure to place them close to the wall over a vanity to help maximize light when looking in the mirror. And if anyone in the house spends a lot of time applying makeup, you might consider vertical fluorescent light fixtures on either side of the bathroom mirror. Then, you'll want to think about tiles, something that is timeless, hardy, and long-wearing. The type of tile that will work in the bath, shower, floors, stalls, and walls. Some good choices of tile include glass, natural stone, subway tile, which is a type of ceramic tile, porcelain, and cement. The option for tiles becomes simpler once you pare it down to time-tested options, then you'll want to choose a color and a shape. Grout is another thing that can make a big difference in your bathroom remodel, so you will want to choose wisely. Grout seals out the dirt and water and compensates for the size differences between the individual bathroom tile. When choosing grout, you'll want to consider whether you want the grout to stand out or blend in with the tile. Think about if the grout is in a dry place or high splasher zone. And another thing to consider is that if dirty grout makes you crazy, you might want to avoid using basic white. Thank you for watching this video, and please do drop a like because it would really help our channel grow. Also, subscribe to our channel. We'll be featuring different houses every single day, from local homes, to tiny homes, to vacation homes, and to other inspiring home ideas.